Accept. Meaning, accept means to agree to receive something or to consent to something offered. In a sentence, she was happy to accept the job offer. Except. Meaning, except means to exclude or leave out something. In a sentence, everyone was invited to the party except John. Comparison sentence. She agreed to accept all the terms of the contract except the last one. Meaning. Imply means to suggest or indicate something without stating it directly. Infer means to deduce or conclude information from evidence or reasoning, often based on what is implied. In a sentence. Her tone seemed to imply that she wasn't interested in attending the event. Here, implied refers to suggesting something indirectly. From her response, I could infer that she wasn't interested in attending the event. Here, infer refers to drawing a conclusion based on what was implied. Quick tip. Imply equals to hint or suggest. Infer equals to deduce or conclude. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.